People have always loved stories and loved to tell stories. We're literally wired to process information about our world and each other, not as raw facts, but as stories. I've been a professional storyteller for more than 30 years. I have 120 plus hours of produced television to my credit, seen worldwide on broadcasters including BBC, Disney, CBC, Bell Media, TVO, ABC Australia, and many more. I'm also the author of 10 books, both fiction and nonfiction, for adults and children, with leading publishers like Penguin Random House, Scholastic, and Hachette. Whether it's a television show, a book, fiction, or nonfiction content for adults or children, there are certain key ingredients that all good stories share, and that you, as the writer, must supply. Otherwise, your story will fail to engage a reader or viewer. Several years ago, I was asked to mentor writers in the Creative Arts program at Toronto Metropolitan University. That led to requests from Yorkville University, the Writers Guild, and others, asking me to mentor emerging writers for them, too. From that, I discovered three things. First, my mentees asked a lot of the same questions and had a lot of the same gaps in their knowledge. Secondly, I found it extremely gratifying to help writers develop the technique and confidence to become effective storytellers. And thirdly, I discovered that unfortunately, there were a lot more writers asking for my mentorship than I could ever hope to accommodate. And that's why I've created this live online course to make professional level writing development and personal coaching with me available to everyone who wants to achieve their full storytelling potential. Whether you want to write for adults or children, create a film or TV show, write fiction or nonfiction books, or tell your company's story with passion, I'll teach you how to shape your ideas into narratives that connect with audiences. I've spent my career telling stories. Now, I want to show you how to do it too. Everyone has a story, and everyone has the ability to be a storyteller. So if you're ready to take your writing to the next level, click the link and reserve your spot today. Let's unlock your creativity and bring your stories to life.